Hello students, this video lecture is for class 6th, subject social science, lesson 3rd and part 5th. In the last video we have completed till the early villages, and in this video we are going to start from the society. So let's start. The eldest, the strongest and ablest person was made the leader of the community. He made rules and regulations which were to be followed by the others. With a settled life, man had enough free time, while some men took to hunting, plugging, or grazing animals. Others made tools, weapons, and ornaments. Some others worked as potters and weavers, while the women looked after home and children. So, this was the society at the time of the Neolithic age. The head of the community or the leader of the community was the one who was either the eldest or the strongest or the ablest person in the village or the community. He made rules and regulations which others have to follow. And with settled life, men had enough time, enough free time, because after the cultivation of crops, when the crops is harvested and brought home and stored in a place in his house, then he has free time, because he now got the crops, for example wheat. Now he can use that wheat for daily purpose, breakfast, lunch and dinner. Now he do not have to every day go and hunt, because now he has already saved the crops. So he has now plenty of time. He can use that time or utilize that time to learn some new things, such as plugging, grazing animals, or making weapons, ornaments, or making tools. Few might be doing potter work or weavers. Potters are those who make mud vessels, and weavers are those who make clothes out of the fibers. And women looked after home and children at the house. Now let's move to the religion. As Neolithic man was scared of natural elements, he worshipped earth, water, fire, and other natural elements like the sun, rain, and thunder, so as to satiate their fury. Soil was regarded as the life giver. He worshipped cow for the bounty it provided, and the snake out of fear. He began to bury his dead. These burial places were marked with huge rectangular blocks of stone called megaliths. The dead were sometimes buried in a large urn with the object which they used or loved during their lifetime. Their tombs were known as dolmens. He also believed in life after death. So, in this paragraph, anything the Neolithic man was scared of, he used to worship that. For example, sun, rain, thunder, water, fire, etc. And Soil was regarded as the life giver because of the crops that soil gives to us, and he worshipped cow for the bounty it provided, and bounty here is milk, and the snake out of fear. He began to bury his dead, and the burial places were marked with the blocks of stones, normally rectangle, which are called as megaliths. And sometimes the dead were buried with the object they used during their lifetime or loved during their lifetime, and their tombs were known as dolmens. And he also believed in life after death. So this is enough for today's video. In the next video we will be talking about entertainment and recreation. Thank you.